Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and I didn't know that I needed one of this until I got one. Until this day, I was just using the candles, which is igniting the fire and all that, igniting the candle. And now I'm using this, and so much better. Like there's no smoke, there is no residuals, there is nothing. This one works perfectly. By the way, the box comes with actually two of this kind of like light bulbs. So this is what you're gonna use. You're gonna use this type of LED light bulbs because that's gonna produce the most amount of heat, So that's gonna be for you to understand that you need to use those. But it comes with two, so no problem with that. Then it comes with this really nice wooden base and this really nice, which by the way also comes with another color. This one, this copper one or gold one that you can actually adjust depending on the size of the candle. So that is kind of like cool in case that you have like a bigger one, because this is a regular size one. But it is melting it, it's melting and it works perfectly. Like after 5 or 6 or 7 minutes or something like that, you can actually start smelling that really nice candle smell without any fire. So that is a really good way of also maybe if you want leaving this on while you're away from your house or something like that, which by the way, you can dim the light with this controller right here. So you can put it in a minimum just to have like a tiny scent, or you can just put it in full, and also has a timer for 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours in case again that you are from your house and just want to have it for some time. But I have to say that this one, I have a cold and I even can smell it. It works perfectly. Super good just to have it. A nice decoration as well, I have to say. And of course, you have the peace of mind of not using any fire and using it remotely if you're away from your house. I like it. I think this one, I may have another one. I'm going to get another one of this one for sure and put it in my bedroom. I like it. I do recommend it.